Hello friends, today we are going to learn the English alphabet. Friends, take out your notebook and note down some points I am going to give you. Friends, every language has a set of rules to guide us to speak or write it correctly. So, we can say here that grammar is a set of rules which helps us to speak or write a language correctly. Let us see here friends, every language has a set of rules and that set of rules help us to guide how to speak or how to write that language correctly. So, we can say here that grammar is nothing but a set of rules which helps us to speak or write that language correctly. It is the simple definition of grammar. After that, friends, every language is expressed in two forms. Every language is expressed in two forms. Number one, spoken form, and number two, a written form. Each and every language is expressed in two forms. Number one, spoken form, and number two, written form. As we know, for the spoken form of language, we produce some sound through our mouth. But a written form, the written form of language, the written form of language uses some conventional symbols which are known as letters. The English language has 26 letters which are collectively known as what? Alphabet. So let us see here beta. Every language is expressed in two forms. Number one, spoken form, and number two, written form. For spoken form of language, we produce some sounds through our mouth, but the written form uses some conventional symbols, and in English language, those symbols are known as what? Letters. The English language has 26 letters, and these 26 letters are collectively known as what? Alphabet. The English alphabet, the English alphabet can be written in two ways. Can be written in two ways. The English alphabet can be written in two ways. Number one, capital letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These letters are known as what? Capital letters. And number two, what? Small letters. Then which are small letters? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So let us see here what the English alphabet can be written in two ways. Capital letters and small letters. Capital letters are given here and small letters are also given here, okay. So after that, the 26 letters of English alphabet are classified into two parts. Which are they? Number one, vowels, and number two, consonants. So, first of all, we have to learn what is meant by vowels. Number one, vowels. The letters A, E, I, O and U can be pronounced without the help of other letters. So they are known as vowels. These 5 letters, the letters A, E, I, O, U can be pronounced without the help of any other letters. So they are known as vowels. These 5 letters are vowels. Then second one, consonants. Remaining 21 remaining 21 letters are known as what? Consonants. So let us see here. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, and these 26 letters of English alphabet are classified into two parts, number 1 vowel and number 2 consonants. So 5 letters, which are they? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are known as vowels because they can be pronounced without the help of any other letters. That's why these 5 letters are known as vowels, and remaining 21 letters are known as consonants. Let us see again. I will revise for you. What? English alphabet. And every language has a set of rules. Each and every language has a set of rules to guide us to speak or write that language correctly. So, the simple definition of grammar is, what is meant by grammar? Grammar is nothing but a set of rules which helps us to speak or write a language correctly. Then every language is expressed in two forms. These two forms are spoken form and written form. For the spoken form of language, we produce some sound through our mouth, or we talk or we speak. After that, for written form of language, we use some conventional symbols. In English language also, we use some symbols. These symbols are known as letters in English language, okay? And the English language has 26 letters which are collectively known as what? Alphabet. Then the English alphabet can be written in two ways. Which are they? Number 1 capital letter and number 2 small letters. Both are written here, okay? Capital letters as well as small letters are written here, okay? So after that, the 26 letters of English alphabet are again divided into two parts. The 26 letters of English alphabet are again classified or divided into two parts. These two parts are number 1 vowels and number 2 consonants. Then there are 5 vowels in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. These 5 letters are known as vowels in English alphabet because they can be pronounced without the help of any other letters. So that's why A, E, I, O, U, these 5 letters are known as vowels. And friends, remaining 21 letters are known as what? Consonants. Okay? Here we have learnt English alphabet, okay? Now I am going to give you one exercise, okay? One exercise on this topic, okay? Now note down this exercise in your notebook, okay? Write down question number 1. Write down question number 1. Question 1. Arrange the following letters. Arrange the following letters in alphabetical order. First one, YBO. YBO. B, O. Second one, MEYTP. MEYTP. Third one, WOLG. WOLG. Then fourth one, YPCO. YPCO. Then fifth one, INEBG. INEBG. So here are some letters and you have to arrange these letters in alphabetical order. Okay. So look at the given alphabet, which letter comes first. First of all, we have to write what? B. After that, O, and after that, Y. Now, these letters I have arranged here in alphabetical order. Okay. So after that, second one, MEYTP. We have to arrange these letters in alphabetical order again. First of all, we have to write here E. After that, M. After that, P, T, Y. Okay. Next one, again, third one, WOLG. We have to again arrange these letters in alphabetical order. First of all, we have to look at the alphabet very carefully and then only we have to arrange these letters in alphabetical order. First of all, we have to take G, after that L, after that O, and at last W. Next one, in fourth one, YPCO. First of all, we have to write here C because C comes first in alphabet. After that, we have to take O, then P, and at last Y. Okay. After that, last one, fifth one. First of all, we have to write B because B comes first. After that, next I. After B, there is I. Then G. No. After B, we have to write what? E. After that, G. Then I. And at last, N. Okay. Next. So here we have arranged these letters in alphabetical order. Next question 2 for you. Arrange the following words in what? Alphabetical order. So, first one is there. What first one? Ox, cow, after that buffalo, and next one dog, after that lion. So 5 words are given here and we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So first of all, what will come? Yes. First of all, buffalo. After buffalo, cow. After that, dog. After that, lion, and at last, ox. So like this we can arrange these words in alphabetical order. Okay. Next example I will give you. Class, after that table, next one desk, after that book, and next one what? Map. Okay. So what will come first? First of all we have to write here what? Book. Next one what? Class. After that desk. Then after that map, and at last table. So like this you can arrange the letters in alphabetical order, as well as you can arrange the words also in alphabetical order. Okay friends, we have today learned here what the English alphabet. Okay.